Welcome. It's Ryan Andrew with the Andrew Agency Insurance. We're an independent insurance agency serving clients in Virginia, Maryland, and DC. Once a week, we post a video to answer an insurance related question to help you make a more informed decision about your coverage. This week, our video is a little different. Our video this week is intended for other insurance agents. Some may or may not know, but part of our business model is acquisition. To date, we've completed 8 acquisitions in the Mid-Atlantic area, and we're looking for several more. And I wanted to share with you some of the findings that I have uncovered throughout my negotiations, completed deals, failed deals, um, Monday morning quarterback deals, deals that we've completed 3, 4 years down the road. What's happened? Did it work? Did it not work? Why? Why not? Some tips that I think may be beneficial for other agents contemplating the next step. Overall, one thing that I've noticed is the smaller the agency, I'm often told their problem is they don't have enough markets. I couldn't disagree more. In fact, what I have found is most agents have too many markets, too many companies. They'll compete against a certain company and the client will select the other agency or company. That agent will go call them up and get an appointment. They'll do it to write one risk as opposed to optimizing your agency, working with fewer companies, learning as much as you possibly can about that company and repeating and growing and maximizing profit sharing with fewer companies. Overall, it'll promote a much more healthy agency. From a buyer's perspective, I am willing to pay a premium for well optimized agencies as opposed to a company or agency that has 25, 30, 40 different companies, all scattered, spread out, no real consistency or flavor of what they're actually writing. So again, tip number one, optimize your agency, consolidate down, pick a few core carriers and do as much as you possibly can with them. Those that you have a little bit of business here or there, cut them. Even if you lose a couple clients, so be it. Cut them. Overall, you're going to be more profitable and you're going to be a lot more valuable when it comes time to sell your agency. The second step or tip that I can offer other agents, don't wait until you have to sell. What does that mean? Well, everybody is for sale, myself included. It's just a matter of when. Not if, but when. Don't wait until you have to sell. Don't wait until, okay, I'm in a pinch. I'm ready to do this, that, and that. Okay, I want to call up somebody and sell my agency today. No. Plan ahead. Start now. Find someone now and put together a formal proposal, a formal agreement so that you know exactly what is going to take place. Sell while you're on top. Don't wait until your agency is declining at a rapid pace year after year. And again, you're in a position that you have to do something. No, do it now. If your agency is really doing well, you're up, your revenue's up year over year, commissions, all that is doing well, great. Now is the time to try to put something in place to maximize your return on all the hard work that you put in. So again, several agencies I've talked to well in their 80s. One who unfortunately passed away. His agency is currently going through probate. It was an extremely selfish position to put his spouse and family in. And I can tell you at the end of the day, it's going to be a fire sale at best. They'll be lucky to get 50 cents on the dollar versus if he had put something together 2 years ago, his agency could have gone for well in excess of 2 times gross revenue. Another tip or mention I want to make is multiples. Currently, agencies are selling for historical multiples. I'm sure you've heard so-and-so sold out for 4 or 5, 6, 10 times. One thing I would ask you, the next time you hear an agent talk about a multiple, quickly ask that agent A multiple of what? That's a huge factor in an acquisition. Any experienced buyer is generally going to base their decision upon a multiple of EBITDA, earnings before taxes, interest, and depreciation. Some agencies are selling for a multiple of gross revenue, but the bottom line, don't put too much stock in what you hear in the rumor mill about a multiple, because oftentimes that agent doesn't have any idea what the multiple was based on. A multiple of EBITDA versus gross revenue is entirely different. So again, be cautious of that. And learn before you speak, or kind of do your due diligence up front ahead of time to try to do what you can to maximize your return. If you have an agency and you're in the Mid-Atlantic, Virginia, Maryland, DC, we'd love an opportunity to talk with you. Whether or not it's something that'll work with us or not, at least you'll know, get a good idea of what your agency is worth. And if it's something we can work out, I can tell you right now, we're being extremely aggressive for quality agents in the Mid-Atlantic area. Give us a call, 804-320-2886, or feel free to check out our website, theandrewagency.com. Have a great day.